Hey, what's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing today? Hopefully you guys are doing amazing. So I wanted to come and just give y'all a really quick wig review on this wig that I'm wearing. So if you guys are interested in this, keep watching. Alright, you guys, so the brand of this wig is Bobbi Boss. I love Bobbi Boss. I feel like they have really good quality wigs. It is a synthetic wig, but you know, I love, you know, having a wig that doesn't cost much and still looks great, and I really think this wig looks great. This wig is called AVRI, and I got this wig in color MLF 233. It also comes in many other colors. I kind of wanted the color on the box. Hopefully you guys can see that, but I wanted the color on the paper, but they didn't have it. So I seen this one and I went ahead and tried it, and I'm glad I did because I really like it. It's different, and I think that it kind of falls into that fall Halloweeny type vibe, and that's something that I was going for. So I really like this wig. So like I said, this is a synthetic wig, but it is safe to put heat on there. I did put a little bit of heat at the top just to give it a little bit more volume because I didn't want it to be as flat. So a little bit more about this: it is free parting, so you can, you know, part it wherever you want to, and they give you a lot of space. It is 13 by 4 deep lace wig, and it does come pre-plucked. Let's see, so like I said, all the other colors that they have this wig in will be in the box down below. And yeah, so like I said, I love the length of this hair. It's like a nice little wavy look, and I did the concealer method. I always use the LA color in Beautifully Bronze. I feel like that is the you know, as for me, that's one of the concealers that I like to use when I'm doing like my little parting up here at the top. Of course, I put out a couple of little baby hairs just so it can look a little bit more realistic. And yeah, so I will put the link in the box down below. Hopefully you guys will be able to find it if you find this wig you know, pretty. So as far as some of the things that I really didn't like about the wig, a couple of the cons is one, it sheds a lot, which is expected because of the syntheticness, you know, of the wig. But yeah, it sheds a whole lot. Like I can just do like that, you would probably can't tell, but I get some of the hair out of there. So I'm really not a fan of that. And then also, I wanted it to be a little bit more, you know, I like my hair a little bit more fuller. Like when you first get it, it's going to be a little flat. You got to work with it. And I kind of teased it at the top a little bit. When I first wore this wig, I wore it in the front, and it was okay, like my parting in the middle. But I switched it today, and I actually like it better on the side. So I'm going to do like a little turn just so you guys can see the back of it. But yeah, it's very easy to work with, and I really like it, you guys. I really like this wig. So even though it does shed, this is definitely still a wig that I will go out and purchase again if I'm able to find it again, and I want to kind of have it in different colors. And so yeah, I will definitely do that because I really like it. It's very comfortable. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I do give this wig I would give it a 9, just for, you know, I'm gonna give it a 9 because I like it, but I just wish that it didn't shed as much. So you really have to be very gentle. You know, I kind of, you know, once I cut the front lace, I was very careful on making sure I didn't cut so much so it could shed, but I kind of ran my fingers through it and it just constantly shedded. So if that's not a deal breaker for you, I think that this wig will be really good. It is, they give you a lot of room in this wig, so it is like a, you know, good fit. I didn't have an issue with that. It's very comfortable. But yeah, you guys, I really like this wig. So I just want to give a quick review. And alright, you guys, like I said, all the information will be in the box below, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.